Step 1. Look at your nails. Regret not wearing top coat the last time. Vow to learn this lesson and use top coat this time. Lament the fact that your life is chaos and you've been stress biting your nails. Step 2. Remove old nail polish. Briefly consider ransacking your apartment to find the nail polish remover, but realize you are not and will never be that person. Proceed as is. Step 3. Consider your nail polish collection to find the perfect shade. Oh, look at this one, it's so pretty. Ooh. Realize you've only ever worn dark purple nail polish for the past, 6 years. Wonder why you keep buying all of these other colors. Step 4. Choose between purple, purple, or purple. Go with purple. Step 5. Start with the thumbs like your mom taught you in 6th grade. Oh shit, we forgot base coat. Step 5. Flawlessly paint the nails on your left hand. Ooh. Step 6. Start with the thumb. Ah, fuck. Step 7. Make a fucking mess of your right hand because this is literally the only thing you ever use your left hand for. Fuck. Step 8. Blow on them as if that's going to help anything. Step 9. Immediately need to pee. I went before I started this. This always happens. I knew this was going to happen. Fuck. What did I do to deserve this? What sin did I commit in a past life to make this happen? Step 10. Bumble around like a baby deer trying to use the bathroom with just your fingertips. Step 11. Wash your hands. Step 12. Return to your computer or TV and become hyper-aware of how often you use your hands. Step 13. Are they fucking dry yet? Step 17. Consider putting the top coat on. Step 18. Consider how much drying time that will add to this fucking process. Dear God, I just want to be able to reach into a bag of chips without ruining my entire life. Is this so much to ask for? Why do I ever do this to myself? Step 19. Enjoy your flawless left hand. Step 20. Avoid making eye contact with your right hand. But don't worry, next time you shower, your right hand will look just as pretty as your left hand. Just wait. Bing, 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 bing. There's no way to make this look normal.